The tropical fruit known as soursop, or Annona muricata to give it its correct scientific name, can be found all over the Caribbean and South America. It also goes by the names of Tachimon epino in French-speaking West Indies, West Africa, and Southeast Asia, and guanabana in the Spanish-speaking West Indies. The low-branching, bushy soursop tree is thin due to its upturned limbs. The soursop tree grows to a height of about 8 meters and has broad-ended, oval, evergreen leaves that are about 12 centimeters long. Individually borne flowers can appear anywhere on the trunk, branches, or twigs. They have a short stalk, 1.5 to 2 inches long, and plump, triangular-conical flowers with pale yellow inner petals, and fleshy, slightly spreading outer petals. The enormous, fragrant fruits are oval, spiky, and green on the outside while juvenile, turning a light shade of yellowish green before becoming soft to the touch when fully grown. When the fruit is fully ripe, the tops readily break off. They can weigh up to 4.5 kilograms and reach a length of roughly 20 centimeters. The plant thrives in humid tropical areas and is typically grown from seeds. Do not be misled by soursop's rough exterior. The white pulp has a silky, rich texture and a sweet tart flavor that has been compared to a cross between strawberries and apples. The fruit's juicy, fibrous, white meaty interior can be consumed raw, or made into desserts like custards and ice creams, as well as beverages. Its tropical flavor pairs beautifully with pineapples, papayas, and other tropical fruits like mangoes. Soursop is high in dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 1 cup of raw soursop includes the following nutrients: 148 calories, 2.25 grams of protein, 7.42 grams of fiber, 37.8 grams of carbs, and 30 grams of sugars. 1 cup of the pulp has more than half of an adult's recommended daily intake of vitamin C. It also contains beneficial amounts of other minerals like calcium, iron, potassium, and magnesium. Antioxidants are abundant in soursop. These molecules protect cells from damage. Anecdotal evidence suggests that a diet high in antioxidants may help protect against cardiovascular disease and cancer, which are among the leading causes of mortality globally. Soursop has long been used medicinally by traditional healers and herbalists. Now, there aren't many plants where every part of the plant is valuable, but that's the case with this tropical delight. The fruit, leaves, and stems have all been used to treat various ailments. If you're wondering about the possible health advantages of soursop, then keep watching. According to tests on animals and in test tubes, the plant possesses the following qualities that may benefit a person's health. It's inflammatory reducing. It is an effective antioxidant. It's anti-malarial. It is antibacterial. But wait, it does not stop there, it may also increase HDL, good cholesterol levels, decrease liver damage, maintain healthy blood sugar levels, combat parasites. But, does soursop also have cancer-fighting properties? I hope this video has been helpful to you so far. Soursop contains a plethora of beneficial compounds. These are plant-based chemicals that have the potential to improve a person's health. For example, it contains a lot of chemicals called annonaceous acetogenins, AGEs. Cancer cell membranes contain nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, which is inhibited by acetogenins. Inhibition of its action by acetogenins is well documented. Moreover, soursop has been shown to slow the spread of cancer cells. Cytotoxicity is a term used to describe a drug's ability to kill cells. Chemotherapy and radiation therapy are 2 other types of cytotoxic treatments. Laboratory and animal research have shown that the soursop plant is effective against multiple types of cancer. What potential consequences could it have on different types of cancer? Studies on breast cancer cells in the lab have shown lethal effects from AGEs generated from the plant's leaves. Studies in vitro have shown that both isolated AGEs and AGE mixtures are effective against breast cancer cells. The plant's leaf extracts have been shown to be cytotoxic in lab experiments on multiple cancer types, including malignant melanoma, cancer of the scalp and neck, malignancy of the pancreas, colon cancer, carcinoma of the liver, cancer of the lungs, The study also demonstrated the cytotoxicity of plant extracts from various plant components against blood cancer cells. The plant's leaf. Portion of the fruit that develops around the ovary, sometimes called the pericarp. The seeds in the stem of the plant. It's worth noting that certain studies show promise for using soursop to kill cancer cells. However, most of these studies have been conducted on animals or in test tubes. Thus, human studies are required to verify whether or not these effects are also seen in humans. As a result, anyone with cancer who is thinking about using a natural remedy should first consult with their physician. If you find any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others.